everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the perfect spaghetti jollof. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. Here I have the beef, which I will be using, and I have them cut into long strips like so. You can cut them to your desired size. And I will season with these seasonings here. You can also use any seasons of your choice. To begin, I will season the beef with garlic powder, onions powder, black pepper, bouillon powder, and salt. I will mix to combine everything together. I will cover with a cling film, and I will be transferring the beef to the refrigerator to marinate for some time. Here I have onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, garlic, ginger, and I have that nicely blended. In a clean pot, I will add some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add the beef which was marinated earlier on and stir. I will be stirring it until it is no longer pink. And you don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'm going to be doing it in batches. Once the beefs are nicely cooked, I will take them off the pan, and I'm going to be repeating this process with the rest of the beef. Next ingredients, I'll be using bell peppers, carrots, spring onions, and I have them nicely cut already. Olive oil, tomato paste, and this is the spaghetti I am using. You can also use any type of spaghetti you like as well. In a clean pot, I will add some olive oil. Use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add the diced onions and fry the onions for about a minute until the onions is translucent. Next, I'll add about a tablespoon of tomato paste and stir. So I'll keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. Next, I'll add the blended tomato base. Add bay leaves, salt, bouillon, and stir. I'll leave it to cook without covering it. In another pot, I have some water boiling already. I'll add salt and add the spaghetti. So cook the spaghetti according to the label instruction. And this one says cook it for 8 minutes. So I will cook it for 6 minutes first. So I'll cover and leave it to cook. And this spaghetti is be cooking now for about 6 minutes. And this is what it looks like, as you can see. So it's almost ready. It's not quite ready yet. So I'll take it off the heat. Pour it through a strainer. I will be taking out some of the pasta water, which I will be using later. I will add some cold water to the spaghetti to stop the cooking process. So the stew is been cooking now for a while and it's nicely cooked. I'll add oregano. Add the beef, which has been nicely stir fried, and give that a gentle stir. Next, add the spaghetti. I will add some of the pasta water which I took out. That is some of the water I use in cooking the spaghetti which I took out earlier on. And I will mix to combine everything together. So this spaghetti water is going to keep the spaghetti moist. You don't want the spaghetti to be dry. And I will cover and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. In a clean pot, I will add some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add some diced onions and cook the onions for about 30 seconds. Next, I'll add diced carrots. Stir and cook the carrot until it's a little bit soft. Add the bell peppers. Add a little bit of seasoned powder. You can use salt or any other season of your choice. I will stir fry it for about a minute or 2. And I'll take that off the heat. So the pasta is been cooking now for another 2 minutes. So add the stir fried vegetables. Mix everything together. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. The spaghetti, I cook it for 8 minutes according to the package instruction. And I'll finish it up with the spring onions. And just give that a stir. And the spaghetti jollof is ready. And I'm just going to go ahead to serve. It was very, very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and follow me if you are not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.